Hi, it's Chris, aka Soft Glam. Hi for me and my fun little bun. I'm doing a cute little Christmas look inspired by Demie. The most important part of this look, besides the eye look, is the eyebrows. So I'm gonna do drag queen style, some Elmer's glue, and I'm going to make sure the brows get very high. And the reason why I need to use glue is my brows are very resilient. They grow horizontally, like the growth pattern is horizontal. So I need something extra sticky to push them up. And I would be very well off in the brow department if I had a fresh brow lamination, but it's been a minute. COVID has taken a turn for the worst. And if you aren't into the world of drag queens use Elmer's glue stick to get the eyebrow hairs as close as possible to the skin so that nothing pops up while you're concealing the brows. To ensure that I didn't get a bunch of residue on my forehead for when I put my foundation on, and especially right here because my eyeshadow is going to go here and I need a nice smooth base for that. Get along. It has gold flecks in it. I've used it in 1 or 2 other videos. It really is so lovely for priming. If you want to treat yourself extra fancy and use my Armani Luminous Silk. The color is 5.75. Okay, so moving on to the gold portion of this look, I'm using Mascara metallic powder in gold, and you do need to use the mixing medium for it to work. Love that. Couple drops, and I'm going to use this silicone glitter applicator from e.l.f. It's like one of my favorite brushes ever. So I'm just taking my brush, dipping it in. It looks like liquid gold. Being careful really to not get it on my eyelashes whatsoever. Anastasia Beverly Hills Pro Pigment Palette Volume 2. I'm going to just be using the black to wet the brush. I'm going to go ahead and paint a wing. So I have mapped out the liner. Now some tight lining. Black eyeshadow as a mapped out liner, done. I'm not gonna wet the brush, I'm just gonna go in with black first. Because it where the gold meets the transition. Go all the way down to the gold. Medium, Kosas bronzer. Okay, another detail that I see in the photo is that she's a very light highlight right under the brow, so I'm going to use Lila B Be Vibrant concealer. Lila B, I think this is a concealer brush, doesn't have a name on it. Go under and highlight right under the brow. Just blend that in a little bit. Coconut by Morphe, white liner. Now I need to coat my bottom lashes with my Big Skinny Brush Mascara from Ico. I'm going to do a super chunky coat of bottom mascara. Okay, and now I'm going to go back and line my line with some Inglot Duraline and just black again. Back in with the gold just to clean up under here a bit with a Delium 716 brush. I go through where my bottom lashes are and just kind of define them a little bit. Some of them got white out from the liner. Do the powdered liner with black, so there's just a little bit of black left on here. I'm going to paint in some tiny lashes here just with a e.l.f. H2O proof liner pen. Curl my lashes. Now I'm doing some Kosas, the Big Clean Mascara. And if you hear that gnawing, that's Peggy. If you're new to my channel, that's my dog. If you're not, no surprise, right? In the picture, she's got lash definition, but it's not totally nuts. Kind of just like mine, so. I'm just gonna do a second coat. This will define the lashes a little bit more, and this is the Skinny Brush Mascara from Ico. And she's definitely sculpted in this picture, but it's not really crazy contouring. So, quick powder with Ilia Loose Powder. I'm going in with medium bronzer. Kosas bronzer. Very light contour. This photo is also it's either taken in film or edited somehow. Just give myself a bronzing on my forehead. my nose with my Fenty Mocha matchstick, and I'm going to connect it to the eye, or where my brow starts. And then this also gives me another opportunity to really carve in over cut the cheek with my foundation brush just a little bit. So she loves a brown liner moment. Oh. Retro Paradise Line and Shine Kit. The lighter nude from the Line and Shine Kit, and just color my whole lip in. And I'm going to go in with the second darkest shade. I'm going to make lines in my lip, which are going to make my lip look much more juicy. And then right in here, also give the lip really nice contour. Step is taking Pillow Talk lipstick by Charlotte Tilbury. And I'm putting color Alexa off, and then just patting my color on. Okay, I'm making the last step, a little gloss from Morphe. It's called Groupie. I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand, just the center. Okay, this is my finished Alexa Demie look. Subscribe now and click the bell if you want immediate updates as soon as I upload a video. I will see you next year, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. It is the only thing that I would like for Christmas is for you to subscribe, and I will see you next year. Merry Christmas.